You can spend crazy cash on the 2018 Dodge Charger's Crazy Hellcat, however the best esteem lies at the RT trim. For its 14th model year at a bargain, Dodge has rejiggered the trim levels for its Charger family, while it hasn't changed all that much. It presently offers the Charger SXT and Plus with raised wheel drive, the GT and GT Plus with all-wheel drive, the RT and Scat Pack, the Daytona and 392, and the SRT 392 and SRT Hellcat, traversing a value gorge of about $40,000. As a lineup, with some predisposition toward the reasonable renditions, we give the Charger a 8 for highlights. Base 2018 Charger vehicles are currently named SXT versus last year's SC identification. The accompany control includes a power driver situate, a USB port and Bluetooth, fabric seats, 18-inch wheels, a rear-view camera and back-stopping sensors, and a touchscreen infotainment framework with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The SXT Plus includes calfskin situates, warmed and ventilated front seats, 20-inch wheels, and blind side screens. Charger GT and GT Plus cars reflect those bundles. On the choices sheet here are a path takeoff cautioning framework, forward crash admonitions with programmed crisis braking, and versatile journey control. Skip ideal to the Charger RT and Scat Pack in the event that you need extensive V8 execution and highlights without spending insane. The RT has the brilliant FCA V8, sport suspension and execution tires, while the Scat Pack gets the SRT needed 6.4-liter V8, Bilstein dampers, and Brembo 4-cylinder brakes. The SRT 392 includes warmed back seats canvassed in more pleasant cowhide, a power traveler front seat, Brembo 6-cylinder ultra-superior brakes, route, a bigger 8.4-inch touchscreen, and continuous activity information. A 552-watt beat sound framework is accessible. The Charger SRT Hellcat works in its own element-loaded ether, with its various drive modes, its ballet dandy that slices control from 707 to 500 torque, to its 900-watt, 18-speaker Harman Kardon premium sound framework. It additionally has better seats, a T-shifter, a level base guiding wheel, ventilated and warmed front seats, and warmed back seats, and in addition a 3-mode versatile damper setup and a dynamic fumes framework imparted to the SRT 392. At that point, you're into it for almost $70,000. What's another home loan installment, at any rate?